Hello, Malaika.
Hi, how are you?
Good, and congratulations on this beautiful restaurant.
Thank you so much, and wonderful to have you here. This is the
Right.
first time I'm actually doing a leisured restaurant.
तो यहाँ पर एक आपका स्पेशल है
जी
because
हाँ।
मैं तो वही खाने वाली
जी
हूँ
हाँ।
because I want to look at the same hourglass figure that you have.
हम मेन्यू बना रहे थे and I think सबने यही कहा कि we should do an ode to your recipes from your kitchen. तो obviously Malla's recipes भी रहेगा हमारे मेन्यू में. My entire water therapy, let's put it as that, my hydration therapy. वो भी हमने यहाँ पे introduce किया. We have an entire hydration bar which is beautifully infused waters plus my shots which I have, which are some are detox shots, some are glow shots, some are immunity shots. So जो भी मैं पीती हूँ घर में खुद बना के वो भी यहाँ पे.
I have walked in as Kamya Jani, but I think I'm going to walk out like Malaika Arora from this restaurant.
Shots पी के.
And nice healthy shots is what you're going to get here.
Yes. And the good thing is वो shots you can pick up and you can go, you can order it. सुबह I think बहुत लोगों को ऐसे shots घर में बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है, थोड़ा cumbersome है. It really isn't. It's just the easiest. So I think I wanted to create that entire hydration shots bar where you could just pick on the go. Literally, that's what it is.
So how did this idea come about? And it's got a very beautiful name, Scarlet House.
Yeah.
It was not very easy to locate this place.
But
so
that's the whole point. It's a 90-year-old Portuguese bungalow set right in the middle of Pali village, which is the heart of Bandra. अगर आप देखो अब जो रहते हैं, जो घर है यहाँ पे, it's all very old world charm. They've kind of retained that serenity. They've retained the old world thing that I was saying. So I think we needed to keep that intact. We didn't want to move away from that. और जब हमने ये बंगला पहली बार हमने देखा, I think सबने यही सोचा था कि हमें यही चाहिए. जब हम पहली बार यहाँ आए थे तो घर भी लाल कलर का था. So I think we wanted to retain that because it's a very iconic spot. That's how we called it the Scarlet House, because it just has a nice feminine touch to it.
वैसे आप में और मुझ में एक चीज कॉमन है.
बताइए.
हम दोनों सेम स्कूल में गए.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yeah.
You're also from Chembur?
Yes.
Oh my
So
God.
you went to Swami Vivekanand High
Yes,
School
yes.
and I went to the same school where Malaika Arora went. So that was the introduction.
Oh
कौन सी
my
school में
God.
गए, उसी school में.
Oh my God, that is like really a small world over there. I still remember वहाँ पे जो दाल पकवान जो था, it was a staple every Sunday because the school is very close to Sindhi society, you know, that entire Sindhi colony over there. So that was something I have grown up on, eating dal pakwan. Whether it was dal pakwan or whether it was Sindhi kadi tuk or whether it was
Where did you stay? Was it like the camp area collectors?
No,
or
so
Maitri Park?
I was very close to Maitri Park.
Okay.
Very close over there. So I was over here and my sister was in Sinan. I
And-
was born in Thane. I did a few years of schooling over there till my 5th grade, and then I moved after that to Chembur.
And of course, then you went to Jai Hind College.
That's right.
Did you continue or did you started getting assignment and you left?
No,
it
I
and-
did actually finish my 2 years over there, and then I started. It was very difficult because मेरी माँ को, you know, college attendance के लिए उनको बुलाया गया था कि आपकी बेटी की attendance is not up to mark. You know, I started doing a few ads and a few shows. You know that. So then I told her, I said I would just want to work. So she said, "Are you sure?" I said, "Yeah." I said, "I want to be independent." And that's it. She was like, "Okay, fine. If you know what you're doing, I trust you." And that was that. And I started working, and I've never looked back after that.